Yeah, so this time we are trying to learn some new technique, which is mostly using is null and not null methods for filtering. Okay, fine. So let me make it as a markdown, and yeah, just made as a markdown, and let me understand is null and not null methods. For example, many times if you have series, many times you have series carry missing data, right? Is it? So here is null and not null will be able to filter the data or filter the rows based on the null or not null values. Okay, null means NaN values. Okay, so that's what we are trying to do. For example, imagine a situation and we are trying to extract some of the plights based on, let's assume, tail number. Is any is null is there or not? Let me look at. I have I have df. I have uh, tail number. Tail number spelling I believe is correct, and tail number num is fine. So I'll say dot is null. I simply say is null, and let me print the true uh, means there are null values, and uh, false means there is no null value. That's what the meaning here. Okay, so it's trying to print a kind of boolean. Let me do one thing. Let me make as a data frame my data 4 or something like that. I say df, simply start a bracket here, simply end a bracket. You just print my data 4 and see the results here. And now you can see this tail number, the NANs, all the NANs where you are able to extract, right? Similarly, if you just get this same thing, you can make it here, you can make it uh, instead of this one not null, you have uh, or my data file, you make it, and you'll be able to get and those data and tail number. There is nothing missing in tail number, right? So now similarly you can also look at with respect to multiple is null. Let me look at is null with respect to multiple columns. Let us see with respect to that. Yeah, so here likewise I can create multiple conditional things also. For example, here I create condition one. I just examined is any null is there with respect to tail number. Condition two with respect to flight, and I just create my data four where either this or that. Okay, so if my data four, if you see four, it'll be able to get the results of this particular same thing. Okay, so multiple series you can create something so on. Okay, so you can see here so I have created tail flight either or. I just mentioned that tail number, and that is the first one. The second one I said flight. Okay, either or I just made somewhere. If you see, you can have flight name, there is something missing, and somewhere it be either or. Okay, so I want to extract, or you can also apply the and function if you want, and that is all about filtering using is null or not null function. Okay, fine, that's it.